Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show to you how to change time zone on Tradingview. So this is a step-by-step tutorial on how to do that. So basically what you'll have to do is simply open Tradingview on your computer or on your phone. And as you can see at the bottom here in the corner, you'll have the time here, as you can see time zone. So you'll have to simply click on that or tap on that if you're on the phone. And as you can see, you can easily change in the time zone in Tradingview. And as you can see, I can go with Mexico City or I can go with New York, and you can do that with any pair. So as you can see, I have Bitcoin, USD, US dollar, and let's say I want to trade stock. So we can do the same thing here. So you'll have to simply click on the time, and then here you'll have to choose from all of these. So as you can see, we have Tokyo, we have Taipei, Singapore, Shanghai, and much more. So basically, this is how you can change time zone on Tradingview. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.